What's up guys, today I got y'all with a chest dumbbell workout video. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and let's jump right into it. So first, of course, before a workout or any workout, you should always be loosening up the muscles, stretching so you don't cause any strain or, just avoid injuries. So for our warm up, we got push-ups, do about like 2 sets, 15 to 20 reps each. And just something to get the blood pumping in the chest area. So for our first exercise is actually going to be a compound exercise. We're going to start off doing single dumbbell press, and then we're going to go into a regular dumbbell press. You want to do 3 sets of 8 to 12 and last set go to failure. For our next exercise, we got chest flies. This is another one of 3 sets of 8 to 12, last set go to failure. As you can see, you want to have a slight bend in your arms, and as you go all the way to the top, you want to make sure you're squeezing your chest. So we got another compound exercise with a single press going into a regular press incline. You're going to do 3 sets of 8 to 12, last set go to failure. And you really want to push yourself considering this is the last exercise of this workout. It's a few tips I like to add before the video ends, with number 1 being make sure you have proper form. A lot of times as beginners especially, we just try to do things off what we see and not what we know. And it never hurts to just look up a form in which you're doing for a specific workout or whatever exercise you're doing. Another thing I would like to add is the mind to muscle connection. Make sure you're focusing on your chest muscles, especially during the eccentric motion or the lowering part of the motion. You always want to slow down that part so you can get a better activation of the muscle, and you can feel the tension per se. One last thing I will say is make sure you're giving your muscles time to recover. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like the video, comment down below what else you'd like to see, and all I can say is have a great day.